Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta one pot updated. Add pasta, aromatics, and measured liquid to a wide pan and bring to a simmer. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Use coarse salt, olive oil, and a splash of cream or cheese near the end to enrich the sauce. Taste and adjust seasoning, then let pasta rest 1 minute off heat to finish absorbing sauce and thicken naturally. For reliable one-pot results, keep a steady, gentle simmer and stir every few minutes to prevent clumping. Add tougher vegetables or raw proteins earlier so everything finishes at the same time. Use reserved cooking water to adjust texture and create glossy sauce without adding cream. Finish with a splash of acid like lemon juice or vinegar to brighten flavors, and a final sprinkle of cheese or herbs for balance and visual appeal. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful cooking videos. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in any lighting without smudging pages, and it fits nicely on a kitchen counter while you cook. It's a handy companion for following multiple recipes or saving favorites. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Layer flavors by toasting spices and sautéing aromatics before adding liquid and pasta, which builds depth in a single pan. Stir in tomato paste or anchovy paste for concentrated umami without extra salt. Add quick cooking greens or pre-cooked proteins near the end so they stay tender. Taste as you go and finish with herbs, citrus, or cheese to elevate the final dish and make it feel homemade and balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.